Hey, what's going on, YouTubers? Wild Will here. I finally got my lift in. I just wired it to test it and everything, but I got an electrician making me a plug to go up to my receptacle up there. But this is a forward lift, 10,000 pound capacity, certified. L&D Shop Solutions come this morning and installed it. They lifted the car a while ago. Everything went well, no problems, very quiet. They started about a little after 10 this morning, and they just left, and it's almost 4 o'clock. But they were running a little bit slow because they had a couple guys they were training, which that's fine. But anyhow, 10,000 pounds, certified, forward lift. I think it's either I-10 or L10. I can't remember which one it is, L10, I-10, but anyhow, 10,000 pound, asymmetrical, symmetrical, whatever you call it. But they did a real good job, cleaned up everything. And anyhow, as soon as I get my electrician over here to get my plug, we're gonna start working on the vet. So, but anyhow, lift installed. We're good to go. Them lights couldn't have been in a better place than right where I put them at. That is awesome. Anyhow, y'all take care. L&D Shop Solutions and forward lifts. I'll put a link in the description below.